A man who's certainly a courageous champion and still one of the best in the world. It takes two to tango, and both these guys went ahead and laid it all on the line. The man next to my right, he is a reason why boxing is so unbelievable. Ladies and gentlemen, I turn it over to Errol Spence Jr. here to give opening comments. Errol, he's joined by Cynthia.
Hello, how you doing? It was a little off night. The better man won tonight. Not here to make any excuses. Definitely did the same. Just, my time was off and capitalize on a couple of things. And his time was a lot better than mine tonight.
Turn it over to the media for questions for Errol Spence. Can you raise your hand and wait until you get the microphone?
Great. Hey Errol, Andres up in the Swing News. Errol, how was the weight cut for this fight? And I want to follow down with the second question. If the rematch had to be at 47, I know you said you want to be there again. Are you willing to do this rematch back to welterweight?
Something I got to talk to my manager about, but hopefully he said more people.
How was this particular weight cut? Was it a very difficult one, or do you feel like these were weight cuts?
I mean, it's always difficult, but like I said, I don't make any excuses. The better man won tonight.
One last question. What about Terrence surprised you the most? Was it his timing, his power? What surprised you?
Nothing really surprised me. Just like I thought. Just my timing wasn't good today.
Questions for Errol Spence Jr.?
Hey Errol, Conte from BoxingScene.com. What do you attribute your timing not being there to? Did you feel off physically or anything, or what was wrong with the fight?
Yeah, I felt a little off physically, but most times I get through it. So, I thought it was going to be just like that time, but I couldn't kick it up a notch. Anything like that, like I said, I was going to do something. I promised everybody I was going to do it. So I did it as a man. I stood up on my word. So I'm definitely not going to suffer over this. I'm going to get right back and get to it. Hopefully at 154 pounds.
And Errol, even though, we know how big of a fight this was, and we talked about the historical significance of this fight all through the build-up, all for the last several years as we waited for it to happen. I wonder if it's happened. You go on the losing side of this one. Does it at least give you some solace to know that you gave the boxing public something that they had wanted for so long, even though obviously it didn't go your way?
Definitely excited. I hope we'll live through it and lead up to it too. So it's something that I wouldn't change for nothing. And I'm definitely open to the rematch and hopefully it'll be 154 pounds.
Hey, thanks a lot, guys. Morgan Campbell from the New York Times. This question is for Derek or for Errol. Once Bud won a couple rounds and he started getting momentum, what types of tactical adjustments did you guys want to be able to make?
So just really kind of do our best to take away what he was doing instead of kind of standing in front of him. I think that Errol, like you can notice, Robin noticed his time was awfully bad. And he was standing in front of him, so I think that that's kind of was the thing, just the time, reaction time was a little slower. But it's okay, it's like life, and come back and deal with it, and get better.
Hi, Dan Matthews from the Daily Mail. I just wondered what you saw in the performance tonight that gives you confidence that in a rematch at 154 pounds that the result would be any different.
Who are you talking to?
Errol. Just wondered what aspects of the performance tonight give you confidence that you could change the result even at 154.
Because I know I'm a lot better than what I showed tonight, and I know that a lot of things was out for me, and even though Terrence probably did really close to sharp and was on point, he made sure he was 100% ready in his fight.
And
and you know, and Spence. But first for Errol, I want to ask you what did Jared say to you in terms of supporting you after the fight and how long it's been to you? And is this officially your last fight at 147 in your mind?
Yeah, in my mind, it's my last fight at 147 pounds, so, you know, hopefully next week they 154, but Derek, you know, just told me that, you know, keep my head up, you know, I was off, you know, trying to console me like he's supposed to.
And Derek, just in terms of you consoling him and how you feel about this, what's been going to be your process over the next few days to be able to move on and then just go back to the drawing board?
Well, you know, I think that in watching it, I had time to understand what was going on. From the first, second round, I kind of saw what was happening, and kind of like understand, okay, maybe eventually maybe because of a good shot, maybe we can recover, but it didn't work that way. It was okay. I mean, it's life. Unfortunately, this is what happens in big time boxing. Somebody tried to be in a situation. Unfortunately, it was us, and we'll gotta move on. I mean, I have to fly to London tomorrow, so you know, I'm gonna hold on this for a long time. May not ever get over it, still have to revenge it, but it's just what it is. It was life, and you just gotta keep it moving. You gotta deal with it, embrace it, and move on.
Got two more questions for Errol Spence Jr., two more.
Marcus Hayes, Fight TV. This question is for Derek James first. Coach Derek, I want to ask you, we haven't seen Errol take as much punishment as he did tonight. Was there ever a point where you thought about stepping in and stopping the bout?
I just wanted to make sure he was okay. I saw him get in a big shot, but I think that you can see it from me. I see his legs a little off, but I really wasn't. But then when you think about it, the doctors right here with me, we're talking about before, and they're looking at it, and I'm looking at the doctors and we're talking. So it's like, you know, not really, but you just never know.
And Errol, we saw you go down a couple of times. When you felt Terrence's power, particularly in the second knockdown, when you got up, what was going through your mind at that time?
Just fight back. I mean, what you mean was going through my mind at times? It's a boxing match, so, you know, I was trying to block the shots he was throwing and come back with shots. So, nothing really going through my mind. It was just, you know, the same stuff.
Last question.
Cameron here from LA News Observer. Errol Spence, would you talk to us about what Terrence Crawford said to you after the fight?
You should ask me that. But he just said he'll fight, much respect, and that's about it.
All right, we will allow Errol Spence Jr. to depart, and you know what? Tonight we saw the two best welterweights on the planet colliding, and I give respect to both men because they went ahead and put it all on the line. Round of applause to both Terrence Crawford and Errol Spence Jr. for providing us an unbelievable night of boxing here in Las Vegas.
Much respect.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, now I want to bring up, he is the first male boxer to be undisputed champion in the two divisions for the first time in the four-belt era. there is an undisputed welterweight champion of the world. This man, 40 wins, no losses. He remains undefeated here tonight. The best pound-for-pound fighter in the world. Ladies and gentlemen, from Omaha, Nebraska, we present to you Terrence Bud Crawford, ladies and gentlemen.